You know, our iPhone has something built in that a lot of people have never heard of, let alone use. And I'm going to show you how to use what's called the Magnifier. And it's a really cool feature. So how many times have you tried to find a serial number, for example, on something that's so bloody small that you can't even read it? Or sometimes it may be even a dark spot, like behind a computer or behind a desk or something where you don't even have enough light. Well, guess what? This tip is really going to help you out. In the iPhone iOS, there's a utility called Magnifier, and it's this little icon right here. Now, if you don't have that icon, let me show you how to get to it. Go to your settings and scroll down. Right underneath the general setting, you'll see Control Center. Scroll down until you see Magnifier. My magnifier is already selected, but if it's not, what you'll do is scroll down until you see Magnifier, hit the plus icon, and it'll show up in your list of active controls for your control center. And you can slide it up and down into any particular slot that you particularly like. I keep it right next to my flashlight. That's all you need to do it. Now watch this. Prepare to be wowed. Sweep down, hit the magnifying button. Now watch this. Look at the magnification on that. I can zoom in, zoom out. I can hit the flashlight. I can change the brightness of it. I can actually take a picture, a snapshot. So that's great if you're shaking or something like that, or it's back behind. Now it's taking a frozen picture of that. You can even save that to your camera roll. Let's bring in this battery. Look at this. Zoom in, zoom out. Boy, you can even read all that Chinese writing in there. Or not. There, see? There, I can see my date. How great is that? Isn't that cool? So I told you that'd be cool. It's really easy to get to. From your iPhone's upper right corner, just sweep down and you'll be presented with your control center. Just at the bottom, tap that icon and bingo, there you go. Another Gizmo's 2-minute tip. Enjoy it and use it.